Chart settings. Here we see a settings button right at the top of the main chart here, and the same setting button appears in the stock analysis menu on the custom ribbon right here. So select this settings button, press it, and it will bring up this particular screen. Here we have different tabs. The first tab is about the main chart settings, second one is about the mini chart settings. Mini charts are available in the next worksheet, which is the table info worksheet. Seasonality chart setting, which are available in the first worksheet, daily guide setting, and some general purpose utility setting. On the first tab, main chart, we can select between the different chart types available, like candlestick, line, area, high, low, close. So let's change these settings to candlestick. We can also change the time frame between daily and weekly, and the time duration is starting from 1 month all the way up to 5 years. So let's select 3 years here. These two settings zoom. These are available so that you can increase or reduce the size of the main charts as well as all other charts on the user interface worksheet. The main to panel height ratio, which means that the main chart's height is 2.25 times than the smaller panel charts, which mainly are available for technical indicators just below the main chart. We can also select whether we want to align all charts with each other, starting from on the left side, or we do not want to align it. So let's select the align charts and save the settings, and it will update the main chart as well as all other charts based on these settings. And here we can see that the chart type is now moved to candlestick instead of the line which was previously selected. The duration is now 3 years. We can also select or change the chart duration by directly pressing any of these buttons. Similarly, we can select between the chart type, daily and weekly chart time frame, and change it accordingly right from this worksheet instead of going to the settings menu as well. And this will update the entire worksheet as well as the charts again. Settings, and then we have these two zoom buttons. So the zoom width and height ratio were set on the settings menu, but pressing this each time when we press this, the main chart as well as all the charts below, which are panel charts, will be increased in size or shrink according to the settings already set. Utilities menu, if we again go back to the settings and go to the utilities menu, here we have some utilities function here. The software actually stores the data of each and every ticker which you select in an Excel worksheet, which you cannot see. It's hidden. But as the time goes by and you work on the software day by day basis, then the size of that worksheet will increase. This will increase the overall size of your software files, as well as it can also sometimes reduce the speed of the worksheet update. So automatically, when you have 1 million data rows, it will uh, change or reduce the number of historical pages. And the way it works, that it will uh, delete all those data pages from ticker symbols which are not used very often. So we can select the purge historical pages, and this will bring this dialog. Are you sure to delete some historical data pages? Only proceed if you are sure. So right now we do not want to purge historical data pages. So press no here. If we want to just clear everything and delete all historical data, then we will press this and it will ask again to confirm that are you want to sure to delete all historical data pages from memory. Again press no. Integrity check. By pressing this, program will check that the data pages on the worksheets are according to the set algorithm and settings. So sometime if the data pages are stored in not in a proper fashion, that can cause program to malfunction. And if you feel the program is not calculating things correctly or giving you some error, then perform an integrity check. It will perform an integrity check here. right at the bottom, it says the progress is 7%, and there were total of 238 ticker symbols, and there were no duplicates found. So it will give you an idea that okay, your data set and the database is intact and fit for use. So let it complete its work. It's already 75% approximately. When it is done, it will let you know. Okay, we are done. The total time elapsed was there. There was no error. That's why nothing was mentioned, and we are all set. So this is about the settings menu, and we can also change the settings of seasonality charts here again from the settings menu, and we can select the time duration anywhere from 1 year to 20 years, and then we can also select another ticker symbol or the index symbol from which we can compare the current symbol. For example, if a current symbol is ANET or Apple, we can select it and, check its performance over a period of, let's say, 3 years here against the broader market ETF, S&P 500 ETF, which is SPY. We have to put the exchange abbreviation first, otherwise it will bring another ticker symbol SPY. Save it, and the seasonality chart will be updated accordingly. To see seasonality chart, scroll right and we see seasonality chart GE versus ARCX SPY last 3 years. And as you can see, in last 3 years, in the month of February and May, GE has outperformed consistently the SPY, the broader market index, 100% of time, with 8.36% return above the index and 4.33% return above the index in the respective months of February and May. We can also change between 3 years to 5 years or move to 10 years, and then see overall this is the performance for last 10 years. Now the situation has changed, and last 10 years 60% of the time GE has performed better than overall broader market index S&P 500 in the month of September, October, November, and December. So it's pretty much in line with the overall market index, and sometimes even lagging it, like in the month of July, and that give you an idea about the seasonality patterns which GE shows against this particular selected symbol. Thank you very much.